Hello everyone and welcome to Chao. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry milk tea two different ways. Also, we are going to use a new method for making our milk tea. So in the past, you have seen me use the spoon to stir our drink and also the normal shaker. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can make your milk tea using a different method. So let's get started. The first thing is we're going to brew our tea. So some of you have been asking me, what about if they don't have a special type of tea? What if you don't have like the Chao premium blend of black tea? So for those of you at home, or you would like to try this recipe at home, you can use the normal tea bags. So for this demonstration today, I'm going to use 2 tea bags and I'm going to put it in my teapot. And then we'll put hot water in the teapot. So this is how we're going to brew our tea. So I have all the ingredients and the equipment that we will use today. And this time, I'm going to include golden pearls in our drinks and tea. So the first cup will be using non-dairy creamer and sugar. And the second cup is using the Chao way, where we use our nut syrup. Now these cups are equivalent to 16 ounces. So 2 tablespoons of sugar and also 3 tablespoons of non-dairy creamer. But because our tea is quite strong, this is our freshly brewed tea, I'm only going to use about 5 ounces of the tea. So most of the milk tea shops, all those that have come to my training, they say they normally use about 200 ml of tea. That is because when the tea is not strong, you use a lot of tea, and the balance between the milk and the tea is no longer there. Sometimes you don't even taste the tea. It really depends on the tea that you use for your milk tea. But this time, because we're using 2 bags in a very small amount of water, we can use about 5 ounces. Okay, so this is 5 ounces of tea. I'm going to put it into our cup. And then we'll have our flavor, which is strawberry. Now because I'm using a puree, I'm using about 20 ml of strawberry puree. If you're using a syrup which is sweeter than puree, use only about 15 ml or half an ounce. So I'll put that in my milk tea. So I told you that it's going to be a different way of making this milk tea. We're not going to use my spoon, nor are we going to use your shaker. So we are going to use our mini blender or our milk frother. So the good thing about this is you don't have to keep washing your blender. You can just use this mini shaker, dip it into your milk tea, and then turn it on. Now, you don't have to blend it for too long because then it will be too foamy and your drink will be full before you actually put your ice. So after you blend it, now you can put your sinkers, which is our golden pearls, and then you can put your ice. The second method is now using the Chao way. Again, we will need 5 ounces of tea. So I'm going to put 5 ounces of tea here. And then we only need our milk syrup, which is about 2 ounces. And then our strawberry puree. Exactly the same amount of strawberry puree, that is 20 ml or 20 ml. Okay, and then again we will use our electric milk frother to stir our drink. So again, like I said, it's so easy to use this because after that you can just dip it in water and it's clean. You don't have to keep washing your shaker. now we have two different milk tea drinks using different formula but using our electric milk frother. So you can see that after you do that process, it's got the, what you need, which is a bubbly top. So you can finish right here, put your straw, put your lid on, and give it to a customer. Now, you know how I like my drinks. I really like them to be presentable. They have to look nice. The eyes eat before, so remember that. So I want to use again our electric milk frother and make a milk foam. If you haven't seen the video on how to make a milk foam, check it out. So I'm going to pour a little bit on here and a little bit on here. Now, both are equally good. It really depends on your preference. So you can try both formula at home. You can also use the same method and see how it works for you. Do let me know by posting a comment below. If you have photos, that will even be better. So there you have it, a simple new method of making your favorite milk tea. You can use the same process in your milk tea or coffee shop. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.